2-minute conviction today is that transitions are lonely, and life and leadership is full of transitions. Craig Rochelle, famed church leader and podcaster, says, often the thing that limits us to get from here to there is the unwillingness to endure the pain in between. And transitions happen in all sorts of contexts. You can change jobs, you can change projects, you can change groups of friends, you can set yourself new habits and standards that you want to live up to, and the transition is the difficult part. It feels lonely. You can change mindsets, and as you align to a different way of thinking, it takes transition. And all of these changes can be hard and difficult. And so here's the 4 things I'm learning about transitions. Number 1, recognize the transition. Be mentally and spiritually prepared that the hard work happens in the shift. Number 2, be kind to yourself in the transition. Take some time to feed who you are. Be gentle, not as demanding on yourself. Number 3, if you can, take someone with you. Reduces the loneliness. Find a peer, a colleague, a friend who believes in the change, the opportunity that you're stepping into, who wants it for themselves as well. And do it in community. And number 4, don't linger in the transition. The transitions are meant to be transient. Don't make them your new normal. Get to your next summit as quickly as possible. My 2-minute conviction is transitions are lonely, but you can do something to reduce that loneliness. Have a great week.